having trouble opening up League of Legends because of the D3DX9_43.dll missing error? Hi there, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to fix the D3DX9_43.dll missing error in or any other DirectX related errors in League of Legends. So without wasting any more time, let's dive right in. Solution 1. First, manually install DirectX end user runtime. To do this, open this link in your favorite browser. Don't worry, I'll leave the link in the description below. From this page, select your language and click on download. Now open the downloaded file and click on yes to give permission. Now click on I accept the agreement and then click on next button. Untick install the Bing bar and click on next again. If there is a download for DirectX available for your computer, it will be shown up here now. Just hit next and it'll start downloading and installing DirectX on your PC. Wait until the process wraps up, and when it's done, hit the finish button. Now check if the error is gone. Solution 2. If you're still getting that error, try updating your Windows. To do this, simple open up settings, click on Windows Update, then click on Check Updates. Now, Windows will automatically install new updates if there is available. After this, reboot your computer and the error should be gone. So guys, this is how you can fix D3DX9_43.dll missing error in League of Legends. If the video was helpful, please hit the like button. And if you still have any questions, drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.